Hi everyone, so first of all what you want to do is take an old wine bottle, preferably one that's got a colour that you like. You could do it with clear ones as well, but I prefer like a blue or a green glass bottle for this. And what you do first of all is wash the inside out thoroughly and let it dry. And also what you need to do is soak the bottle in warm soapy water so you can remove the labels. So what I did is I boiled the kettle, made this water fairly hot to start off with, left the bottle soaking in it for a little while, and as the water starts to cool, as you can see, the heat has affected the adhesive that holds the labels on the bottles, so it makes them easy to remove. And then once you've done that, take the candle that you're going to put in the top and drip it all the way around the edges, because you want to create that lovely drippy candle effect. Because nowadays a lot of candles are designed to be non-drip. Even these ones, which are like a cheap box of candles, household candles I bought from a local corner shop, these were actually non-drip, so what I had to do was actually force them to drip. And to do that, what you do is you tilt the candle so that the flame is very close to the edge of the wax, and that causes it to drip down quite quickly, and then you use that to drip all the way around the edge of the bottle. Obviously the first candle you use for this to do the drippy effect, you are going to basically waste the candle, but it gives that beautiful drippy effect and makes it look like it's older than it is. Like, it makes it look like you've had that as a candle holder for a lot longer than the day you made it. So what you do is you keep going around dripping the wax just on the very edge of the bottle, so it runs down the neck of the bottle and over the main side. Obviously make sure you do this on a surface that's fire safe. So I did this on some ceramic tiles on the hearth of my fireplace. And as you can see, once the candles are in place and all the drips are in place, it looks like this. And that's how to create some lovely drippy wine bottle candle holders. And these look great on your mantelpiece and just look really nice with any sort of gothic decor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.